Hello, my name's Ruth Grigg from Dyslexia Services. We're looking at grammar today, and today we are looking at verbs. So what are verbs? Verbs are doing words. They tell us about an action. So let's read some of these phrases here that tell us about an action. I entered the Gremlin Games last year and I won these 3 trophies. So entered is a verb. That's an action. And I won, that's another verb. Okay, let's look at this one. I ran a marathon. Ran is a verb. Jumped over a bus and juggled 20 bowling balls. So all these words are action words. We have jumped and juggled. These are all in the past tense. We're going to look at tenses in a minute. Here are some more verbs for us to look at. Call, walk, explain, bump, tremble. Float, ask, smell, enjoy, boast, share, irritate, jump, decide, sneeze. Now let's look at tenses. Okay, so we use verbs in different tenses, either past tense, or present tense, or future tense. So in the past tense, what has already happened? So you could say, I jumped over the fence. That's in the past. Present tense, what's happening now? I am jumping over a fence. Future tense, something you're going to do. You have not yet done it, but you're going to do it. I will jump over a fence. So let's try the next one. I was happy. I was happy when I went to the party. I'm at the party and I am happy. This is happening now. Future tense. I'm going to go to the party and I will be happy. It hasn't yet happened, but I'm predicting I will be happy. Okay, let's look at this one. Peter played football. Okay. Peter played football is in the past. Peter is playing football. It's happening right now. Peter will play football. He might be playing tomorrow. He might be playing next week, but he will play football. Okay, here we go. This one here. We read the news online. So we've done that in the past. That might have happened 10 minutes ago, might have happened yesterday or last week, but it's past. Present tense, it's happening now. We are reading the news online. We are doing it now. And future, we will read the news online. So that's how we use verbs in their different tenses. There are other tenses, but we won't look into those at the moment. So I've got some games and activities for you to practice. Please have a go at doing them. They're fun, and you will learn about tenses and you will learn about verbs, and you'll know how to identify them. And also you have to have a verb in every sentence. Otherwise, it's not a sentence. So that's why verbs are important. So have a good time practicing your verbs. Goodbye for now.